So today I'm going to be showing you how to work the single crochet stitch. This is very easy and very beginner friendly. I've made a small swatch of single crochets here just so that you can see what it looks like. Now let's get to how to do it yourself. So I'm just going to chain one and turn because I have reached the end of my row. So now to make your first single crochet. Simply insert your hook into the first stitch. We're going to yarn over and pull up a loop. We're then going to yarn over and pull through both loops on the hook. And it's that easy. You have just made your first single crochet. Let's make another. So insert your hook into the second stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through both loops. Now I'm just going to continue working along this row. Please bear in mind that these instructions are using US crochet terms. So if you are using UK crochet terms, you would be calling this a double crochet. And there you have it. It is just that easy to create a row of single crochet stitches. Until next time, happy crocheting.